Morning everybody, second good day of the year, out for another gentle walk. Today we're at Tully Castle in County Fermanagh. I'm going to take you for another little walk, show you the castle, down around the lake, Lower Loch Earn, part of the Culca Geopark. Lovely area, nice little gentle walk. Let's go and see what we can see. What a lovely area, so lovely and peaceful. Tully Castle is an actual tourist attraction, so it does open from time to time. You'll have to get your Google box out and see what the hours of opening are. We're going to take you on a little walk around the grounds and down around Lower Loch Earn. There's a little cottage to look at. Just lovely day, lovely and still. We'll get the drone up, see what we can see. I wonder how old this old apple tree is. This must have been a little orchard for this cottage at some point. Somebody's family home, and they had an orchard growing here in the meadow. And on a day like today, it is absolutely lovely. It's just a lovely place to be. The cottage is well maintained and looked after. And when you see the size of the cottage and you compare it to houses of today, I think I'd rather have the cottage. What a lovely day. It's not often that you see Lough Erne so smooth. It's like glass today there, so it is lovely and smooth. It doesn't happen very often considering our normal weather. This was a landing place for boats. Back at the times of the castle, there were no cars, there were no buses, there weren't even trains, and the quickest way to get about County Fermanagh was on a boat. So this is a little sign that the park has put in place here, just to let visitors know what these places are for. But the boat must have been quite small. It says on this side of it that in the 1950s a large-scale drainage scheme lowered the water level of the Lough Erne and exposed a number of log canoes here off the headland at Tully. These would have been a common mode of transport many years ago. So you got about on your log canoe. I wonder, did the government tax those back then? Well folks, that's the end of our little walk around Tully Castle. It's only a short walk, it's not a big hike. No backpack needed, but definitely bring the sandwiches and the flask. Keep them in the car. It finishes out here on a little trail back up to the car park. You can see the sign. Lovely day. What better place could you be out here in the lovely county of Fermanagh enjoying the sunshine? Have a lovely day. See you again folks.
Met us at the start of the trail, and here you are at the end as well. Eh?